I thought I would do another swatch video today. I chose the Mint to Be palette by Colourpop. I've had a really hard time finding some of these cool minty greens in other palettes, so I just went right to the source and just ordered the Colourpop palette that was all mint. So I'm going to swatch this for you today in case you're looking for something like this yourself. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'm going to go left to right here for each one. So the first one is going to be Get Fresh. This is an almost white minty green. It looks pigmented in the pan, but it's kind of not. It's matte. Next we have Mint Tea, M-I-N-T-E-A. This is a very beautiful metallic mint green. Very glittery and a lot of fallout as well, so be careful on that. Same with the next one called Play It Cool. It's another glittery metallic, or just glittery shimmer. And it's a very pale mint green. All three of these are cool toned. Next we're going to do Seltzer, which is starting to add a little more blue to the mix. It's a matte. It doesn't look pigmented here, but I promise you it is. It's a bit of a dark, like almost muddy mint green. Then we have Mojito Mummy, which is a gorgeous, shimmery, kind of a yellowy mint green. Next is just called Dementhe. It looks like it's olivey in the pan, but it's not. This one I would actually kind of call the truest mint green of all of them, ironically enough. Next we have Ice Cold, which is a straight up, really pigmented matte dark teal. Next we have Freshman, another metallic mint right in the middle of the shades, and then we have an olivey dark green. This one pulls a little more warm. It is an olive color, and there we have it, the mint green palette. Hi everyone, I decided to do another swatch video for you. This is all over the table here. This isn't even, hold on, this isn't even right. Is this right? Struggle is real. Palettes. So I just went right to Colourpop and got things right from the source. That doesn't make sense. Really rare to see an eyeshadow palette with minty colors. Mint green. I like the cool colors on me. My cat won't stop meowing. You're gonna have to go, baby.